Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 9 map scale. The name of our lesson number 9 is map scale. In that video we complete the can you tell figure 9.1 and 9.2. In the figure 9.1 a painter taking an estimate of a scene, and in figure 9.2 students looking at a map. Difference between two figure 9.1 and 9.2. In that video we completed some question answer. Now let us start our next point. Try this. Here student figure 9.3 measurement of students heights. Here 4 students you see in the figure 9.3 difference heighted. In order to measure the height of students, make marking on the wall from the ground up to the height of 180 cm with the help of ruler. Then next measure the height of each student and note it down. You student measure the height of each student and note it down. With the same wall as the backdrop, take a photograph of students in a group of 5, figure 9.3. Take a print of photograph. Next point is take a print of photograph. Then next with the help of ruler measure the heights of your friends from photographs. Then next complete the following table with the actual heights and the heights as per the photograph. Calculate the ratio. The ratio of Gopal's height has been calculated as shown below. Here you see student a table. Here series number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then name of the student's name. Heights per photograph centimeters. Actual height in centimeters. Then last point is ratio. Here you see an example. The student's name is Gopal. Name of the student's name Gopal. Heights as per photographs in centimeter. The Gopal's heights as per photographs in centimeter is 10. Then actual height of Gopal in centimeters 130 centimeter is the actual height, and in photographs height is 10 centimeter. The ratio of this two heights, in between two heights, the ratio of Gopal's heights is 1.30. In this way complete an example from Gopal. Then now a example. Then next is Meena. Heights as per the photographs in centimeter 10. Then the actual height of centimeter is 140. What is the ratio of Meena's height as per photographs as per actual height? 1.14. In this way we completed two example and other example completed in your notebook. From the above table you must have realized the difference between the actual heights and the height in the photograph. Two types of height, actual height and height of photograph. You must have realized that in photograph everyone's height has decreases in the same proportion. You understood student here? The photograph's height is minimum than the actual height. The same principle is applicable in case of map scale. In this way we understood the map scale. Then our next point is geographical explanation. We obtain information about the earth or some specific part of it from a globe or a map while preparing a map in order to get the actual ground distance onto paper. Some conversions have to be made using geometry and mathematics. The use of map scale is useful for this conversion. Let's get acquainted with the aspect of maps. Here student you see the figure 9.1 and 9.2. In 9.2 a painter taking estimate of a scene. We draw a picture with the help of natural picture. Then 9.2 student looking a map. In map students whole world's map and near the globe, whole world's globe. The actual distance between the two villages of Sahil and Meenal is 50 kilometer. The distance between the village of Meenal and Pragya is 20 kilometer and between Sahil and Pragya's village is 60 kilometer. Figure 9.4 shows the location of these villages on the map. The scale of a map 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Location is the scale. What is the scale? 1 centimeter means 10 kilometer. In this way measure the distance on the map and find out which village belong to whom. Note the names and distance. Here figure 9.4. Pimpalgaon, Borgaon, Nangaon. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. You complete this picture with the help of this data. The actual distance between the two villages of Sahil and Meenal 50 kilometer. The distance between villages of Meenal and Pragya is 20 km. Between Sahil and Pragya's villages is 60 km. Figure 9.4 shows the location of these villages on a map. The scale of map is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 km. Measure the distance on the map and find out which village belongs to whom. Note the names at a distance.